It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the truck. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've also got our programmable memory seat, the child lock button, and auto express windows. This truck comes with the premium Bose sound system and a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Up above, we've got the power sunroof. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. We've also got our heads-up display button and an information tab. The seats all have the Kalahari insert because of the AT4 package. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the rear window slider button, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. Just below that, we've got the rear view mirror camera. We can change the view of that camera back to normal by flicking the switch located on the bottom of the mirror. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature as well as the current time. This truck is equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. And we've got various views with that camera, so we can change our view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Here we have our dual climate control buttons, the push start button, heated and cooled front leather seats. We've got lane departure, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. We've got a trailer brake and some USB and power plug-ins. Here we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious. We've got a light in there, as well as an SD card slot and some USB and power plug-ins. At the front of the AT4, we've got the body-colored grille surround and bumper. We've also got red tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch black wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine, running boards. The side mirrors have the side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors for you. We've also got the rear window slider and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the back of the truck. This truck also has the 2-inch factory lift as well as the Rancho branded shocks. At the rear, we've got the easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with the push of a button. It's also got GMC's Multi-Pro tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate step down by pushing 2 additional buttons. The tailgate step holds up to 500 pounds. In the box of the truck, we've got the spray-in box liner, some cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger truck. As you can see, there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. We've also got a storage compartment and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, our heated rear seat buttons, and some USB and power plug-ins. The center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've got some behind the seat storage located behind either of those rear seats, as well as some under seat storage located by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.